Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video, and in today's video I'll be showing you the ways to add Canva website template to Google Sites. To do this, you have to follow the simple steps. So first thing first, open up your canva.com and look for the template that you want to add. Now let me go ahead and just add it randomly. I'm going to go with this one. So when I've actually located the template, let's say this is the one, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open it up, and then you could see this sort of page. Now click the share button and you want to go ahead and click on see all. Here you want to click on embedded. Once you do that, you'll be able to see that your design on Medium, WordPress, or on all of that. Click on embedded. As you do that, you could go ahead and copy either one of these links. So I'm gonna go with the one that says Smart Embedded Link Supported Platforms. Now click the copy button. Once you've done it, so now exit out of this page and go to Google Sites. As you go to Google Site, this is how it's gonna look like. Now I'm gonna open up a file. Let me go ahead and open up a site or file. So let's say this is the one. The thing I'm gonna do is go to pages, and I'm gonna go ahead and add the pages, or you could just click the plus button and add a new one, or you could just go ahead and click on the plus button and then you want to go ahead and give a name. So I'm gonna give family tree or whatever and click the done button. As you've done it, so now click the plus button one more time. Just click on the plus button, just go ahead and click on full embedded page. Click that, and now you want to go ahead and give a name as well and click on the done button. As you've done it, so here you want to go ahead and click on the three dot icon next to it, and you could go ahead and click on add sub pages. So once you've clicked on done, you could see there's this file that says add embedded. Click on it. As you click on that, you'll be able to see type in the embedded code. Now you're going to add in the embedded code. So I'm going to go ahead and copy the embedded code. So here you want to go ahead and click on embedded code and erase the one and copy the one. Next, you just do it. So then here you could find out the image, all sort of thing. Click the insert button one more time. As you've done it, so you'll be able to see this sort of page. So this is how you add a Canva website template to Google Sites. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.